Anyway, let's just go. I'll just keep talking, so just start the song, because I'll just keep going.
He starts it.
You are everything. You are everything. Shooting star. You are everywhere. You are oxygen. You are medicine. You are everything that's good about the universe. You're the galaxy, a better part of me, and there is nothing that is bigger than the two of us. You are heavenly. You are heavenly. Bleeding heart, hanging on your sleeve. You're a mystery. You are poetry. You are everything that makes me want to laugh out loud. You're the setting sun, and you're the rising one, and there is nothing that I'd ever do to keep you down. I let it fall, my heart, and as it fell, you rose to claim. It was dark and I was over until you kissed my lips and you saved me. But there's a side to you that I never knew. All the things you'd say that were never true. In the games you'd play, you would always win. But I set fire to the rain, watched it pour as I touched your face. Let it burn while I cried, 'cause I heard it screaming out your name. Your name. Oh, I set fire to the rain, and they flew us into the flames. And I felt something die, 'cause I knew that that was the last time. The last time. You are oxygen. You are oxygen. You are